How to hard reset LavaBlaze 3. Step 1. First, turn off your LavaBlaze 3 5G by pressing the power button. Step 2. Next, press and hold both the volume up and power buttons simultaneously. Step 3. Once recovery mode appears, use the volume rocker to navigate and press the power button to select an option.